Workhorse. Not the show pony everyone admires, but the one that keeps going. Heading down an endless road, chasing a story no one knows exists. It's not easy. Never expected it to be. It takes heart, grit, a camera, a truck. We don't second guess. We just work relentlessly. Push forward. Take whatever the world throws at us. Find a way. And make it into something. In that void where creation is forged, there are no excuses. You either make it work or you don't. And God, I love it when it works. A workhorse, just like me, just like us.